Follow along the railing. See, this is from Bukit Lunchu. See the wooden railing. Go up, follow. 照片下。到，
早上可以找到这个地方。
哎，怎么不跟我讲？跟我讲，跟我讲，我带你去啊。啊。See the big tree? Go straight. You see the stream? Cross it over. Go down here. There, you see this wood there, then go there, go down. And the big tree, long leg tree is there. And when we're tired, we gather around for Uncle Alan. The tree is here, long leg tree. 每个看了照片就要来了的。
要会找呢？
你看 the latest attraction here is here. 要这样啊？
教小朋友在头上会长出来。